Hey, welcome back to Northern Outdoor. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to open up a shotgun shell with nothing more than a pocket knife. This is my Buck 110. You can use literally anything. I prefer straight blades. All you're going to do is come up to the opposite end of the brass, the end that the shot comes out of, and you're going to get very close to the end here and just cut your way in. You want to be very careful when you're doing this that you don't cut somewhere down here where the gunpowder would be. You want to stay away from that so that you don't interact with it at all with your cutting. So you can see here we're starting to get it started. It's flapping open a bit so you can see inside there. I would recommend that you use a pretty sharp knife, as these things are actually quite a bit tougher than you would expect them to be when you're cutting through them. But don't use like your favorite knife. It is plastic, so you're going to be beating your knife up a bit as you get into this thing. So we'll go ahead and fold this back. Get that nice and open for you. So, like I said, all I did was cut all the way around here, and then right here you can see that's our shot in there. So we can go ahead and dump that out. And we've got a little pile of shotgun shot right here. But this is not safe yet. Even while this shot out of here, the gunpowder inside here can still explode if this is hit. If you want to take that out and make this thing completely dead, go ahead and take out that plastic casing in there that the shot was in, and then there will be a little piece of cotton. Very carefully remove that with like some tweezers, and then you can go ahead and just dump out that gunpowder. I'm going to be repurposing this into a blank. So now that all the shot is out of here, I'm going to be closing this up, going to be folding it back over once I get this out, and then I'm going to be loading it back into my shotgun to be fired off as a blank. So that's how you cut open a shotgun shell, and that's how you make a blank. So see you next time. Make sure to remember to subscribe for the next video, where I'm going to be resharpening this knife after cutting this thing open. See you there.